Welcome to Lampang, the land of the chicken bowl, where tradition and craftsmanship come together at Meelarp Ceramic. Since 1989, we've been shaping clay into culture and turning humble materials into meaningful works of art. The famous chicken bowl is a symbol of Lampang's craftsmanship, passed down through generations. Each design is hand-painted, brushstroke by brushstroke, with care and precision. No two bowls are exactly alike. Every piece is a true original. Fired at high temperatures and glazed with care. Each bowl is strong, durable, and safe to use. Perfect for every meal and every moment. Certified as a GI product, this bowl represents the unique identity and quality of Lampang's ceramic tradition. Whether for your home or as a meaningful gift, experience the charm of Lampang in every bowl. Handmade with heart, hand-painted with pride, from our hands to your home. Meelarp Ceramic.